What if I told you you don't have to change the way you eat or give up your favorite foods to go vegan? This is a super quick and easy hack using AI that you can use to literally start eating plant-based in like 5 minutes. So step 1, you're going to make a list of your top 3 go-to breakfasts, lunches and dinners. Then you're going to open any AI that you like to use. For example, ChatGPT is my favorite, and you're going to input a prompt, something along these lines. You're a plant-based nutritionist. Here's what I eat on a regular basis, and then enter your list that you just made. And then ask ChatGPT, please give me vegan versions of the dishes that I listed that are easy to find in large grocery stores in insert your country or city. Please make the meals filling and rich in nutrition. And then add your level of healthiness. Do you want to get healthy, or are you generally someone that eats healthy already? Or do you want like more junk food and more like guilty pleasure meals and you don't really care about health right now? And then also put in your budget. So if budget is not an issue for you, then just leave it out. But otherwise you can put in either like a daily food budget, or just tell ChatGPT like, please keep the meals cheap and affordable for me. And you can also decide if you want to do more like mock products to start, like meat alternatives, or if you want to focus more on whole food items. Then what you're going to do is you're going to look at the list that ChatGPT gives you, and you're going to decide which of the meals you want to try out next. Like next time you go grocery shopping, what do you want to get ingredients for? Then tell ChatGPT, okay, I want this recipe, I like this idea, I like that food item. Okay, now make a grocery list. Ask ChatGPT to make me a grocery list for these recipes or food items. Also in the prompt, put in like, do you like to cook, or do you just prefer ready meals, things that are easy to just grab at the grocery store that don't require any prep? Then literally take that list, copy it into your notes, or just keep it on hand, and the next time you go to the grocery store, instead of buying the non-vegan version of the items that you normally eat, literally just go slightly down the aisle or to a different aisle and pick up the vegan alternative, and boom, just like that, you're making the world a better place in 5 minutes.